Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Shopify Search and SEO apps using API keys, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Shopify Search and SEO apps using API keys, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Scroll down and select Manage Private Apps. If you don't see this option, ensure that private app development is enabled in your Shopify settings. Click on Create a new private app in the app details, provide a name for your app and an email address for contact. Under the Admin API section, set the required permissions for your app. These permissions will depend on the features you intend to use for search and SEO. Once you've configured the permissions, click on Save. After saving, you will see the API key and password generated for your app. Take note of these keys as you will need them for authentication. Open the Shopify Search or SEO app you want to integrate. Locate the section where you can input your API keys. Enter the API key and password you saved earlier. Confirm the settings and save them. Now, test the connection to ensure that the app communicates with Shopify successfully. If the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation message. If there are issues, double-check the API keys for accuracy and verify the permissions. With the app authenticated, you can now utilize its features for enhancing your Shopify store's search and SEO capabilities. That concludes the process for authenticating Shopify Search and SEO apps using API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.